Samsung's new privacy tech isn't just another feature, it's a full rewrite of how we protect our digital lives. But while the ads promise invisibility, the reality is more complex. Let's dig into what they're showing and what they're not. Samsung's new privacy tech promises to erase your personal moments from view, literally blurring faces, objects, even entire scenes in a single swipe. But here's the catch. It doesn't just protect you. It also hands control over who gets to see what, when, and how. Is this the future of privacy, or is it just another step toward AI-driven surveillance? Samsung's new privacy tech.
This isn't just about hiding you. It's about teaching your phone to see more than it should. Samsung's new privacy tech promises to erase your personal details with a single swipe, but at what cost? When AI starts learning your habits to blur what it sees, you're not just protecting your data, you're teaching your phone how to see you. And that's a fine line between privacy and profiling. Samsung's new privacy tech promises to blur your face in photos, but at what cost? If the AI is learning your environment, your habits, even your background, who decides what stays hidden and what gets memorized? This isn't just about privacy, it's about...
Samsung's new tech is blurring the line between security and personalization, raising a critical question. If AI learns your habits to safeguard your data, are we trading one layer of control for another? This isn't just about privacy, it's about who holds the keys to our digital